Hello viewers, and for you today I have another eBay purchase. This is a single coin. It is a Sarawak 1863 1-cent coin, and I paid $14.91 for this. So let's open it up and see what we've got. So this is a 1-penny coin from Sarawak from 1863, and this depicts James Brooke Rajah. Sarawak was the kingdom ruled by the White Rajahs. And on the obverse we have a depiction of James Brooke, first White Rajah. And I'll show you the obverse. And it says Sarawak 1 cent 1863, and the value is depicted within a wreath with the date below. This is a copper coin. It is 9.5 grams in weight, 29 millimeters in diameter. It is round with a plain edge. I bought this coin because I only have a couple of Sarawak coins, and this coin is the only one I have from Sarawak that depicts the very first White Raj, James Brooke. Okay, let's see what it weighs. And it's coming in at 9.2 grams, and according to the guide it should be about 9.5. But this coin is very worn. Does have some detail worn off of it, so okay, it should be 29 millimeters in diameter, and we do have 29 millimeters. So overall, a really nice coin. I'm really impressed with the quality of this Sarawak penny from 1863. I paid $14.91, and according to the guide, in this condition it's worth about $80. So that's a pretty nice profit on that coin. Sarawak has always been kind of one of those oddity countries that existed for about 100 years. It was taken over by Japan during World War II. And then after World War II, it was given back to the British. So, please comment below. Please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Good night.